I don't even know what I'm saying now.
I have no idea. This thing has been bringing on plenty of mysteries. I don't even know what this is. At first I thought maybe it was a windshield wiper. I don't know, I could be completely wrong. I'm just being dumb. This is the passenger side handle on my 944 when I bought it. You can see here that the lever is gone. So I ordered a new one. Everything on it worked great. The only thing I did was I changed out the lock on there so I can use my original key and I don't have two different locks types on there. Plus I don't have a key for that one. I just got finished installing the new handle and it's working flawlessly. Here's the inside of the door mechanism. When we pull this is the interior handle. So when we pull it, the cable runs through here and pulls out and releases the latch on the other side. Now what I installed was the door handle back here. And so I put this linkage arm, and then there's another white linkage arm there for the lock back there. And those are the two things I installed. I had to keep constantly screwing it down because the idea is that when you pull the lever in on the door handle outside, it pushes that arm down or that link down, in turn releases the door latch mechanism. As an example, when you go to shut the door, we're going to use a screwdriver as the striker. The striker hits and it latches in. Then you hit the door handle on the outside because you want to get in and it releases open. And then I barely put any pressure on it. Feels as if it was brand new from 1984. Like all old cars. This is the door handle made of plastic. As I was trying to open and close it, getting the feel for it, I broke this little part off. I'm not too concerned right now because I wanted these to be black anyways and they're brown or maroon. As an example of the door handle needing to be adjusted, this is the driver's side door. Here's the lever that broke off on the old one. When I shut this door, I can't just open it up real easy. I have to hold everything nice and tight and push as hard as I can to then get it open. So what I need to do is take the door panel off, take the linkage out, expand those threads just ever so slightly, maybe a turn or two, so it can push down and open up this door a little easier. But right now, it takes some effort. I don't even know what I'm saying now. Cleaning out the back area out here. I've taken the sound deadening. I vacuumed up quite a bit of stuff, but it's so dusty in here. Every time I move around, more dust shows up. All the debris that was down in there. There was a bunch of debris in there, as well as in that hole. I need to get all the mud out, clean it up. Also, another big issue I'm having right now is I can't get this hatch to open up. I can get one of those, I forget which one. One of these latches I can get to pop. The other one I can't. It's a little tight and I'm cramping up pretty good. Uh-oh. Ah, that's not a good sign. We got one. So we know that it's this side. Oh, look at that. Just had to give it a little jiggle, I guess. Nice. Well, I was able to make this locking mechanism move. The big thing we're going to do at some point is I'm going to take this latch out, clean it all up, re-grease it, this latch here and this latch here. So it looks like it's just a matter of taking out these two bolts. There's one on either side. We'll take those bolts out, take this off, disconnect the linkage. The linkage looks pretty messed up too. All right, I got the wiring harness all removed, got the taillights out, got the side markers done as well. I'm gonna come in here with a hose and a scrub brush and just basically wash the whole inside out like I'd wash a car on the outside. So I'd be worried about this being all wet if I was in a different climate than I'm in. But in Alaska, it's pretty dry. Now, I do want to put everything back, but I'm kind of at a little bit of a hesitation because I'd like to paint this car and do body work and do all that stuff. And in order to do that properly, I need to have the taillights out and everything out. But that is kind of a far goal right now. So yeah, follow me doing that.